Hello again. Gonna sodomize on the internet. Box opening. We're gonna do some box opening off. Today is March 7th. Yeah, this is on release. We're gonna open uh some Abyssal Heaven expansion, and we'll open some recollections. Yeah. We'll just get the boosters for that. Yeah. Let's open it. That's this let's I'll just be quick, I guess. Horse, King Blast. Okay, open it. Three. Bird. Ooh. Ooh, we got the spirit. The special spirit. It's draws X. Okay, level 2. Auspicious Feast, yeah, call for 4. Horse. Scourgeon. Okay, this is token. Oh, get the sword. Come on, you are. There you are. Spell. Increasing danger, of course, that's common. Glory. Ooh, I get the. Caption. Heal. Ooh. Okay, we always get one common first, then champ. Ooh, foil token. It's a foil nightshade. That's nice. Once a foil token. Let's put the foil here. And we get the Shroud Temper. Yeah, the Omni Shroud. It's R. Okay. Focus camera. Token. Enchant. Go to level 3. And we get Ching Chang. CSR. Last. Yeah. Bird! Bird! Okay, the status replay. I need that. Kisaki Assassin. This one denies. Horse. Token. More heal. Ooh. We got one. I need the searing review 4-5 file. Arizona. Yeah. Okay, the Achaman. Ooh, SR slot? Sorry. Really? SR slot? Ooh. Alright. I need the dolphin. We got the dolphin. And R slot. So, this pack has an SR slot for the DFC and R. Okay. I need this dolphin. Let's put it here. This double face card. This dolphin. I need this. I need 8 of this. And this one. That's why it's a good set word token. Uh, uh, demolition and serious command. Ooh. X. Ooh, squirrel. Squirrel. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ooh, we got the ultimate sideboard card. Ooh. Ooh, Bagua. We get Bagua. Yes. Alright. So, let's get it here. Think deep. Common. Common. Oh, ground exorcist. Meal. Meal is love. The. Okay. Uh, uh. Ooh, void. Common. There. Another command. Yeah, we can say you are yet. Okay. Oh. 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 Ooh. It's the lolly. We got the lolly. Yeah. I like the art. This Gule. We get the lolly. We get the lolly you are. Yeah. Here. Okay. Took it again. Ooh, Hachow. Oh, okay. Cesar. Wait. Wait! Another UR? Ooh, we got Lubu! Fuck! Lubu, man. Don't pursue Lubu. Lubu. We got Lubu. Alright, and then R. Okay. Moment. I'll be stopping this first because I still have more packs. Hold on. Okay. So I have these recollection decks. Okay. Ooh, I want this. Yes. Yang Liao. Deals 20 damage to yourself and 3. Can we get the UR? Can we get the UR? Can we get the UR? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, Biakos command. Ay. Ooh, we get squirrel. Ooh, we got this ugly slime. The rattle slime. So still be. Power. King. King. Ooh! foil. That's nice. Okay, horse and sonar. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Ooh. And bro, I should do this again. Yeah, chin box. Okay. Yep. Direwolf token. Grasp. Razor. Poised. Spire. Ash with Cremator. And the Battle Red Clips. Players can't attack. Players can't attack until they. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. Nice not. Okay. Ooh, get stifling trap. Yeah. Eh. Uh, 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 uh. Janway. Janway. Get some Janway. Submerged Fate Stone. That's rare. Get another. Shut. Come on, man. Okay. Yaku's command. Okay. Good. You foil this. We have Lubu itself, himself, herself, I don't know. And the lolly. Lolly! Got the lolly. And then we have a foil token. What's a foil token? Just gentle refresher that what SRs we got. So these. I need this. These one sell. This and this. Water. Okay, that's the SRs we got. That's the SRs that we got. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.